welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, you're so very welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for coming back. We still got the new hair. I just have to iron it down if I can find my straightener in time, but I'm going to church and I don't know if I should wear makeup because I want to come back and sleep. I don't know if you can see my bags, the big Chanel bags under my eyes, but yeah, I slept late because uploading my last vlog was, it showed me flames, so I don't know if I don't know, but I just quickly want to get ready. I'm in my white shirt and my skirt. My mirrors are still in the tub. I still like, things are not sorted out, but I mean, it's expected. When you move, it could take like a couple of months to adjust to all of the new financial stuff that you need to do and styling and all of that. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun time. Ready for church. Let me quickly get ready, and yeah, I don't think I'm gonna wear makeup, I don't know, because I got nowhere to be after church. That's the thing also. If like I had people to see, it would be a different story. This is how I look. Yeah, my hair situation, high corner. But guys, like the reason why I'm just spiraling is because I slept really late trying to get that vlog up, so I'm a bit behind on time, but I just put my belt on. I think this is decent enough for church. Yeah, and I haven't been in such a while, so I have to go. I'm back from church. Well, we're still here. Yeah, I'm tired and I still need to do a few things for the channel. So I think let me go. My friend invited me for a bit of lunch, but I need to get back and share this video for the channel takeover. So I need Wi-Fi and time. So let me do that. I can sleep also, my goodness, yeah. So sorry for starting the vlog like this. They say don't look like your problems, and I hope I'm not looking like my problems. I'm going through it. I actually got these products yesterday. It's a heat defense spray and argan oil hair treatment. It's I'm scared to spray my hair because you're not supposed to put water in it, right? I'm scared it's gonna revert back to being an afro, which it is, yeah. So we're not gonna do that, but I'm gonna make sure that at least there's a bit of shine in the hair. But let's see. I'll try and work my way through it in a way. So guys, I've decided to tie it back. Yeah, like it's still a bit puffy, and I did see on TikTok that, you know, some people were saying their blood gets puffy, like they sweat it out. So I did have my window closed, so it does look like it's a little puffy. So I'll just tie it until it grows. So I will be a slick back bun honey for a while. But let me step out. I really haven't eaten. What should I eat? Let me eat. I can't believe it's almost 11:30. But let me eat, and then I think this is fine. It's fine, right? It's fine. Let me eat, and then we'll go to the municipality, get stuff done. I'm not getting a hold of the nail salon, but let's see how it goes. Thought I should match today. This is how we look. These pants sometimes I'm not sure, but this is the look. Thank you. So I'm pleasantly surprised that it didn't take long. So let's go see if I can walk into the nail salon, because they're not responding to email. I mean, their phone calls. So let's go. Oof. Hey guys, good morning. Yesterday I cut the video in an awkward place, but we're starting a new day. I never really wake up with a routine. Like I feel rushed because I wake up as soon as I want to touch my laptop, and then it feels like I'm overwhelmed. So I'm trying to do better. Honestly, I just posted a story on my status that things won't change until I do. So that is what I'm doing. Hopefully, if you know what, let the day do what it needs to do. I'll just manage and handle the consequences of everything that is gonna happen. So yeah, I'm gonna start my day now. I've made myself some cappuccino, decaf cappuccino. I put some collagen as well, just a little bit, and I've made myself some muesli. So we're doing better, guys. Like, I really am doing better. So for those watching for the first time, I do work from home 4 times a week. So this is what it is. But later today I'm going out to some champagne tasting, which is going to be fun. And yeah, I'll take you guys through that. But let me just continue with the day and really focus. So it's after work. I'm just gonna prepare to go, but the champagne tasting starts at 5:30. So I still have an hour. This is my outfit. This was my mom's shirt. I want to get like a stiffer material one, but I've seen them at not Cotton On. I've seen them at H&M. So I'm going to get those. So let me show you in the mirror what shoes I'm wearing. So this is the outfit. I haven't worn these platforms in a while. I don't know if they make sense. I wish these pants were a bit longer, but it's fine. And I'm carrying my blue bag. And this is how we're gonna look. I think it's cute. It's cute. So this is what we look like.
Yeah, no, I like tequila. If I were to know how to make cocktails, yeah, because straight, yeah, it's poison.
Hey guys, so I'm back. I've been back for a little while. I was just posting a few pictures on Instagram, a few being two. But I had such an amazing time, and I like CCs. We call it Cap Classique now and not Method Cap Classique. So if you didn't know, now you know. So we don't call it that. So it was a Cap Classique tasting for Graham Beck specifically, and it was just fabulous. It was really nice. I enjoy bubbles. Like, I think you guys have seen this on my channel. For those who don't know, I'm a bubbles girl. So it was really nice hanging out with my girl, with my friend. And she got me a nice housewarming gift, which is so fabulous. Thank you. Imagine, a nice fabulous gift. So I'll unbox this tomorrow. I think I'll do it tomorrow when the lighting is a bit better. But it's also I learned so much. It's a Brut Blanc de Blanc. It's a Brut Blanc de Blanc. So we're going to open that tomorrow. But yeah, I had such a fabulous day, so I just wanted to wrap up today's activities, and then I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. Yeah, let me just prepare myself, take a shower, and let's see each other tomorrow. Hey guys, haven't greeted you today. I'm going to gym now. Just got my nails done. I like them. I want to go back to red. So they said this is the best red in Johannesburg. So we shall see. But it is nice. I like it. Like them. I think the length. I just don't want to go long. They suggested tips, but I'm just like, I haven't done tips in a while, and I only use them to add if like my nail's broken. But no, that's not what I want to do. But let me go to gym quickly. I also just need to get some food. I think I'll just buy lasagna and just have that. Yeah, but let's go. Guys, I'm looking hella sus. I decided not to go to the gym because there's a storm outside. I don't know if you can hear the thunder, but there's a serious storm, so I could see it approaching as I was driving towards the gym, and I was like, absolutely not. So I just got myself lasagna. I'll show you guys. I'll make a quick meal and we'll call it a day. We'll see how tomorrow goes. So yeah, I couldn't risk my silk press, which is already dead. So yeah, we'll see tomorrow. So this is the lasagna. These are like the quick meals I get when I really don't have it in me and my leftovers are finished. So let's put this in 180. Let's eat. Guys, good morning. Yeah, I have all my jewelry in. I'm just laying my hair because this hair is a full-time job. I don't even want to lie, like it's a full-time job. Wow. So I'll be going out today, and it's like I'll be going out today, and I just need to make sure that I get everything done. I need a presentation completed for tomorrow. But yeah, just a lot of stuff that I need to do. So I just wanted to open up today's part. The vlog will be ending today. Yeah, because we just have to, but should it? It shouldn't. Let's see how tomorrow goes. I think we'll end it tomorrow. But yeah, I'm wearing my sunny dress. It's gloomy outside, so I try to make a conscious effort to bring some color into a gloomy day. But yeah, let me see what this looks like. Like, it's so much work. So much work. But I'm gonna have to braid my hair very soon because I don't want to to cause too much damage. I think the issue that I experienced is that I don't know, this parts just became too coarse. Like the back of my hair is still fine, which it's just straightening hair. The back of my hair is still fine, but the top is just like, no, my dear, you've got 4C hair. And you can't run away from that. Ugh, it's fine. I'll just like put wigs on for a couple of months to give my hair a chance to recover. It should be fine. So I also put a face mask on my face just to, like, it's a salicylic acid mask for my spots. But yeah, just like a simple look today, not too much. And another thing that I used and I saw on a TikTok was that, and I forgot I had it, a wax stick, because I was using gel and that was reverting the hair. It just wasn't working. So I then, what is happening? Yeah, so I then use a wax stick. I just need to blow dry it again because it's giving a white cast, but we should be fine. We should be fine. This is gonna be the look. Simple, cute. Yeah, let's continue with the day. So before I step out, let's open my gift. I did promise you guys. Thinking we will open this over the weekend. It is Thursday. Oh, so nicely. And I did mention that this is a householding gift, so that is still open for business. Wrapping paper. It's not very graceful. Okay, so it's a Cedarburg Bottle Blanc de Blanc Brut Cap Classique. I spelled Classique wrong in my story in OLED. But yeah, Cedarburg. Let's see what it looks like inside. Oh gosh. Why am I not graceful? I'm fighting yellow. Oh, so this is the bottle. Fabulous. Fabulous. So we're going to taste this. It's 5 years old. Yeah, I'm excited. So I'm gonna keep it in my wine rack. So pretty. Hey guys, so I wanted to close out the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. For everybody who's new, I really hope that you enjoyed the episode, and do stay, like, comment and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend that Aswatla has a channel. Yeah, I just got my cornrows done. I'm going to put a wig on for the next couple of weeks, but yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this. Let's see each other in the next vlog. I'll see you next time.